Are you hungry?
Oh, so much. You know what would be great now?
Pizza?
No. For me, I just want a piece of cake.
Ah, a piece of cake.
Does that ring a bell?
You know what? That's also a idiomatic expression in English.
Yeah, that's a useful, I guess. I've heard it a lot.
Piece of cake?
Piece of cake.
What does it mean?
It means easy.
Something super easy?
Yeah. Well, I just heard it. Nothing seems a piece of cake to me.
Would you say learning English is a piece of cake?
With us, yes.
Ah, give that plug.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. With our help. With following and subscribing to our channels. Learning English is a piece of cake.
Like clicking on the video, that's a piece of cake.
That's a piece of cake. Clicking on that subscribe button, that's a piece of cake.
That's a piece of cake. Can we introduce the new community channel? Shall we talk about that?
Yeah. Another piece of cake. Oh, now I'm really, really hungry. Okay, go.
I don't understand it yet.
Okay, so we have this community tab on our YouTube channel page. It's easy to find. You just have to go to, I think, our first page of the channel. Yeah, there's this tab, community is written. You just go there. There are lots of fun stuff, quiz, polls, what else? Yeah, we can just, chat there, talk there, and enjoy learning English.
We're going to upload some exercises?
Yes, of course. Quizzes, exercises, and you can just tell us what you want from us. So what videos would be good and what subjects do you like to learn. So it's a great place to talk and get to know each other. Give it a try, okay?
So it's one click.
It's one click and it's definitely a piece of cake.
So when someone asks you to do something,
can we talk about a piece of pizza? Now I want pizza.
Okay.
Is that an idiom?
No.
Okay, but that's also something that I want now. So a piece of pizza and then a piece of cake. I'm sorry, we are getting out of.
Okay.
Okay, so
are you done? No, I'm just saying, I want to make sure the viewers know how to use this.
Oh, for that, I need to learn my
But when somebody asks you to do something and it's a very simple task.
I said just go there. It's there. You can find it. It's a piece of cake. Find it, and the rest is there. You can use it.
It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake.
It's a piece of cake to use.
I need to go and look at the fridge.
Let's do it.
Scott?
Yeah.
There is this cake in the fridge, but I think it's been here for at least 1 week. Can I eat it?
Dude, don't eat that. We have so much more content to create today.
But I want cake.
Dude, a week?
Okay, I won't.
Don't. It's a piece of cake not to eat that, okay? Think.
For you maybe, not for me.
Okay.